Greetings, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome back to the Big Sweep. Today, we're going to explore how to use hydrogen peroxide in the laundry. 5 tricks you've got to know today. This natural gem is not just for first aid, you know. Hydrogen peroxide is a powerful cleaning agent I always keep on hand for various purposes, from treating minor cuts to washing my produce. We'll talk about these applications in upcoming episodes, but did you know it can also work wonders in your laundry room? Just a quick word of caution before we get into these amazing tricks. Remember to use hydrogen peroxide correctly, dilute it properly, and avoid using it on delicate fabrics. Don't forget to give us a thumbs up, subscribe to the Big Sweep, and hit the notification bell so you never miss a new episode. Now let's get this laundry session started. Before we dive into these laundry hacks, let's understand what hydrogen peroxide is and why it is so effective. Essentially, hydrogen peroxide is water with an extra oxygen molecule. This extra oxygen molecule breaks down when it contacts a stain, releasing oxygen bubbles that lift dirt and grime away from the fabric. It's a gentler approach than harsh chemicals, making it great for sensitive skin or delicate fabrics. Hydrogen peroxide is also a natural bleaching agent, unlike chlorine bleach, which can be harsh and damaging over time. Hydrogen peroxide breaks down the chemical bonds that create unwanted yellowing or dingy tones in white clothes, restoring their original brightness. Additionally, hydrogen peroxide is a powerful disinfectant, killing bacteria and viruses, which is especially beneficial for towels, sheets, and workout clothes. Now that you understand how hydrogen peroxide works, let's move on to the fun part, the laundry tricks. Let's face it, stains are an inevitable part of life, and they sure are a pain when they happen. Whether it's coffee, mud, or red wine, we've all been there. Hydrogen peroxide is incredibly effective at tackling a wide variety of stains, from protein-based stains like blood and sweat to plant-based stains like grass and berries. The key to success with hydrogen peroxide as a stain remover is to act quickly. As soon as you notice a stain, grab your trusty bottle of hydrogen peroxide. Before applying it, test a small, inconspicuous area of the fabric for any discoloration or damage. If the fabric remains unaffected, you're good to go. Pour a small amount of hydrogen peroxide directly onto the stain and gently work it into the fabric. Let it sit for 5 to 10 minutes depending on the severity of the stain. You'll likely notice the stain begin to fade as the oxygen bubbles work their magic. Rinse the fabric thoroughly with cold water. If the stain persists, repeat the treatment and rinse again with cold water. Then, launder the garment as usual, following the care instructions on the label. Remember how I mentioned that hydrogen peroxide is a natural bleaching agent? It's time to put that knowledge into action and say goodbye to dingy whites. Adding hydrogen peroxide to your white laundry loads can work wonders in brightening and whitening your clothes. It's incredibly effective at removing yellowing, dinginess, and even those stubborn underarm stains. To brighten your whites, simply add 1 cup of 3% hydrogen peroxide to your washing machine, along with your regular detergent. For heavily soiled whites or items with stubborn stains, pre-soak them in a solution of hydrogen peroxide and water before washing. Fill a basin with cool water and add 2 cups of hydrogen peroxide. Submerge your white garments and let them soak for 30 minutes to an hour before laundering as usual. You'll be amazed at how much brighter and whiter your clothes will look after just 1 wash with hydrogen peroxide. If you're finding these tips helpful, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and subscribe to The Big Sweep for more amazing laundry hacks. Our statistics are showing us that less than 10% of you viewers are subscribed. Ring the notification bell so you're always in the loop. These days, we're all more aware of germs and bacteria than ever before. While washing clothes at high temperatures can help kill some germs, it's not always enough, especially for items like towels, sheets, and workout gear. Hydrogen peroxide is a powerful disinfectant that can effectively kill a wide range of bacteria, viruses, and fungi. Adding hydrogen peroxide to your laundry routine is particularly beneficial for families with young children, people with allergies, and anyone who wants an extra boost of cleanliness without using harsh chemicals. To disinfect your laundry, add 1 cup of 3% hydrogen peroxide to your washing machine along with your regular detergent. For an extra boost, pre-soak heavily soiled items in a solution of hydrogen peroxide and water. Fill a basin with cool water and add 2 cups of hydrogen peroxide. Submerge the items and let them soak for 30 minutes to an hour before laundering as usual. We've all experienced that moment when we pull a garment out of the laundry basket, only to be hit with an unpleasant, musty odor. Whether it's lingering sweat, mildew, or just a general staleness, these odors can be quite stubborn. Hydrogen peroxide can come to the rescue with its remarkable odor-eliminating properties. It works by breaking down the chemical compounds that cause odors, leaving your clothes smelling fresh and clean. For everyday laundry, add 1 cup of 3% hydrogen peroxide to your washing machine along with your regular detergent. For tougher odors like those from gym clothes or pet bedding, create a powerful odor-eliminating pre-soak using hydrogen peroxide and baking soda. Fill a basin with cool water, add 2 cups of hydrogen peroxide and 1 cup of baking soda, and stir well. Submerge the smelly garments and let them soak for at least 30 minutes, or even overnight for heavily odored items. Then, launder the items as usual with your regular detergent. You'll be amazed at how effectively this hydrogen peroxide and baking soda pre-soak eliminates odors, leaving your laundry smelling fresh and revitalized. We most often focus on cleaning our clothes, but what about the machine that cleans them? Over time, washing machines can accumulate detergent residue, mineral deposits, and even mold and mildew. This buildup can affect the performance of our washing machines and create a breeding ground for bacteria and mold. Fortunately, hydrogen peroxide can help keep our washing machines clean and fresh. It's a safe and effective way to remove buildup, disinfect the drum, and eliminate odors. To give your washing machine a deep clean, start by removing any lingering laundry from the drum. Pour 2 cups of 3% hydrogen peroxide directly into the washing machine drum for top loaders, or into the detergent dispenser for front loaders. Close the lid and set your washing machine to run a hot water cycle. As the cycle runs, the hydrogen peroxide will break down buildup, kill bacteria and mold, and deodorize the drum. Once the cycle is complete, leave the lid open to allow the drum to air dry completely. For an extra cleaning boost, use hydrogen peroxide to clean the detergent dispenser drawer. Soak the drawer in a solution of warm water and hydrogen peroxide for about 30 minutes. Scrub away any residue, rinse thoroughly, and dry completely before replacing it. And there you have it! We've explored the world of hydrogen peroxide and its amazing versatility in the laundry room. From tackling tough stains and brightening whites to disinfecting clothes and even cleaning our washing machines, this simple household staple is a true laundry game changer. Remember to always use hydrogen peroxide as directed and test it on an inconspicuous area of fabric first. With these simple tricks, you can elevate your laundry routine and achieve sparkling, clean, fresh-smelling clothes. Don't forget to give us a thumbs up, subscribe to The Big Sweep for more amazing tips and tricks. Ring the notification bell so you never miss an episode. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next episode.